3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody, welcome to Beauty and Gadgets. My name is Isabel. So for those of you who love puzzles and also love murder mysteries or missing mysteries or just solving any kind of problems, I'm sure you will love this box. I will be showing you a video and explaining at the same time what's in it and a little bit of what you need to do. So here's the video. This is the Deadbolt Mystery Society, the inheritance. To play this puzzle, you'll have to make sure that you follow your instincts, also pay attention to every detail. In the box, you will get the beginning brief, the 3 cards with the QR codes, 2 envelopes which tells you not to open until you need to, the red lens, 2 books with volume 1, volume 2, cards with the suspect, and a family tree. For the QR code, you will click on Play Store, type down barcode scanner, download it, and this is what it's going to look like. For the box, it costs $24.99, but with shipping is $37.98. After you do your barcode, this is what it's going to look like. By the way, there's also members of the society on a Facebook page. I will try to find the link and put it down below. So here is the box. I really love it. I think I'm going to keep it to maybe hold on to other things in there after I'm done playing it. So this is very fun to play and also probably would be better as a family. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. I will be putting my link down below and also the link to get this box. Thank you for watching. Be safe.